Throughout the summer, I have given you 8 different mistakes that I see Teachers Pay Teachers sellers making. So if you haven't listened to those episodes, they are like 5 minutes or less, very actionable. I highly suggest you go back and listen to those. But I just wanted to wrap up this summer and share some wins because I talk a lot about my programs because I fully believe in them. I think they are the best programs out there for teacher business owners because we have put in so much work to make sure that you guys can be successful through our programs. But I know you don't always believe it when it's the creator because obviously I am pretty biased. So we wanted to let you hear from actually people that have gone through my various programs, talk about their experience and their wins, and then we are going to put the links to all of my programs in the caption below so you can kind of see what would be the best fit for you, where you are in your teacherpreneur journey. I'm just so excited for you wherever you go. I am rooting for you always. I am here for you. I hope this podcast has been a great way for you to learn and grow, and we will continue to do that as we move into the next season. And yeah, let's hear from some of our members.
Hi, my name is Michelle, and I took Lindsay's Subscriber to Sales course. My favorite thing from Subscriber to Sales is that Lindsay breaks down the process step by step so clearly and makes it easy to follow. From following this course, I've started my email list and now have over 1,000 subscribers who are my ideal customers and who also believe in the mission of my business, Thinking Math Corner. Thanks, Lindsay.
Hey there, my name is Jacqueline Merville with practicalschooling.com, and I took the course Amazon KDP, and it has been such a fabulous course to take. One of my favorite things about it is that Lindsay literally walks you through every single step of how to convert your TPT resources and turn it into a workbook that you can sell on Amazon. I didn't have to guess about anything. I literally just followed her steps and got it on there, and it's so exciting because on my first month of Amazon KDP, I already sold way more than I ever did on my first month of selling on TPT. And I really just wanted another source of income, and this has provided such a fun outlet for me. So it's a great course to take. Highly recommend it.
Hi, I'm Amanda, and I want to share my experience with the Resource Academy. My favorite thing about the program is how detailed and thorough the video lessons are. They really walk you through everything step by step. I've also loved having access to templates for creating product covers, thumbnails, and previews. Those templates have made such a difference in helping me post my products with confidence. Since joining the Resource Academy, I've started making consistent sales every week. And honestly, the biggest win for me has been gaining the confidence to create high quality products that teachers actually love. If you're thinking about starting a Teachers Pay Teachers store, I can't recommend the Resource Academy enough. It's been completely worth it.
My name is Kayma, and I took Lindsay's course, Teacher Resource Academy. My favorite thing about Teacher Resource Academy is the step-by-step instructions and support that's offered. Lindsay walks you through exactly how to create profitable resources and upload them to Teachers Pay Teachers in a way that actually gets you sales. One result I've had since taking the course is earning over 4 figures a month.
Hi, y'all. My name is Laura Faye, and I took the Teacher Resource Academy course. My favorite thing about the Teacher Resource Academy course is that Lindsay goes through step by step from creating the resource to uploading the resource to pricing the resource, and is available to answer any of your questions as you go through the process. She's also there as the resource is posted to help you tweak things, to look at things. And the one result that I've gotten that I absolutely love is I've gotten more sales and more reviews on resources that I've created using her teacher resource program.